Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.2% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The euro-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the pound gain 0.3% against the dollar. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.1%. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
The main US stock indexes were mixed as investors awaited a crucial inflation reading this week that could shape expectations around how long the Federal Reserve will keep interest rates elevated. After a major 5-week run that took its price nearly 40% higher, Bitcoin has stalled for the past several days around the $37,000 area. To the extent that enthusiasm around possible approval of a spot Bitcoin ETF has run out of some fuel, bulls might be looking to today's consumer price index as a fresh catalyst higher. Chinese chipmaker Yangtze Memory Technologies Co. has filed a lawsuit against US rival Micron Technology, alleging infringement of 8 of its patents. YMTC filed the lawsuit against Micron and Unit Micron Consumer Products Group at the U.S. District Court for the Northern District of California.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Consumer Price Index will be released at 13:30 GMT, the UK's claimant count change at 0700 hours GMT, the US NFIB Business Optimism Index at 1100 hours GMT. The UK's employment change will be released at 0700 hours GMT, Japan's Gross Domestic Product at 2350 GMT, Japan's Gross Domestic Product annualized at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.